Ask.Arai AI has just been released, and today we're going to talk about 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new AI tool. If you're curious about how Ask.Arai can help you streamline processes, enhance your business operations, or improve your content creation, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end, because I've got some key insights about Ask.Arai that you won't find anywhere else, plus a special offer for you to try it for free. First things first, Ask.Arai is a robust AI tool designed to assist with a wide range of tasks. But what makes it stand out from other software on the market? It's all about efficiency. Ask.Arai's capabilities are designed to save you hours of work by automating everything from data analysis to answering complex questions. Whether you're using it for market research, business insights, or even content generation, this tool is built for speed and accuracy. What's really exciting about Ask.Arai AI is its ability to understand and process complex queries. It's not just a basic search tool, it can generate human-like responses based on your inputs, providing you with highly relevant data in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. And the best part? It continuously learns and adapts, ensuring that the quality of its answers improves with every interaction. Now, one of the standout features of Ask.Arai AI is its intuitive user interface. Whether you're a digital marketer, a small business owner, or someone looking to leverage AI for the first time, Ask.Arai is incredibly easy to use. The platform is designed with non-technical users in mind, making it accessible to a broad range of professionals without requiring any prior experience in AI or machine learning. When it comes to versatility, Ask.Arai AI is tough to beat. From generating detailed reports to crafting personalized email campaigns, this software adapts to your specific needs. It also integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Google Analytics, making it a great addition to any marketing stack. Another key advantage of Ask.Arai is its speed. You can input a query and receive actionable insights within seconds. This level of responsiveness makes it a fantastic tool for businesses that need to make quick decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're running a digital marketing campaign or just analyzing customer feedback, Ask.Arai ensures that you're always working with the latest and most accurate data. Ask.Arai also shines when it comes to scalability. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large enterprise, Ask.Arai has the tools to grow with you. It handles large data sets effortlessly, allowing businesses of all sizes to extract valuable insights without any slowdowns. Lastly, Ask.Arai offers a free trial for you to explore all its features and see firsthand how it can make your life easier. You can try it completely free through the first link in the description below. Don't miss the chance to experience its powerful features and see why so many businesses are excited about this AI tool. So, to wrap things up, Ask.Arai AI is a game-changing tool that's perfect for anyone looking to improve productivity, streamline operations, and gain valuable insights quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone looking to dive into the world of AI, Ask.Arai has everything you need to get ahead. And as always, after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've listed my recommended AI software options in the description below, including Ask.Arai, so you can start your journey with the best tools available today. Be sure to check them out and see which ones work best for you.